Edna. Pero bago ako tatanggapin ang mga kabataan na ito, I would like to say thank you for your unselfish, untiring, patience and love sa ating mga kabataan. Ang pagtitiyaga nyo sa pagtuturo sa kanila ay hindi makatawaran. At yun ay deserve po ninyo na tumanggap ng appreciation. Let's give our teachers a big round of applause, children. Kayo ba ay masaya? So in behalf of the Salvation Army Child Care Center, I am happily accept you as graduates for this batch 2009 and 2010. May the Lord bless you and give you more wisdom and knowledge as you push through your second level of your learning. God bless you and congratulations.